Hey everyone, how is it going? And today here we are with another problem on LeetCode, which is subtree of another tree. So we are given two binary trees, root and subroot, and we need to return true if there is a subtree of root which is with the same structure and node values as subroot, and false otherwise. So a subtree of binary tree is a tree that consists of a node in tree and all the nodes descendants. The tree could be considered as subtree of itself. So we are given two trees here. One is root and one is subroot, and we need to check whether this subroot is subtree of this root or not. So a subtree is having is that tree that consists of node in the tree, that node and in the tree, and all its node descendants. So here this node is contained in this tree and its descendant is also there. So that's why this is true. This is a subtree of root. But here, if you see the other example, here we have this particular node coming out from this leaf node, and here we don't have any child of leaf node. So this is not a subtree of this one. So that's why we will return false here. Now, to solve this problem, what we will do, we will just traverse this root as tree, and wherever we will find that subroot is equals to subroot's value is equals to root's value, then we will check whether the this tree is equals to our subroot tree or not, and if it is equal, then we will return true. Otherwise, we will check for other nodes. So let us start. So first of all, we'll check the base condition whether our root given is null, and the subroot given is not equals to null. Then return. And if root is not equals to null, okay. So we have covered this base case. Also, we need to check whether if root is equals to null and our subroot is not equals to null. Sorry, is equals to null. Then also we will return false. Otherwise, if root's value is equals to subroot's value, then we will check whether is same root and subroot. If they are both same or not, then return. Otherwise, we will check return is whether the subtree is contained in the left part of it. So roots left subroot, or whether it is in the right part of it. and let's define our is same function also. Void is same, and we are taking two in parameters. One is root and another, let us name it as subroot as well. So we are checking whether these two are same or not. So first of all, we'll check if the same condition, these same two conditions, then we'll return false. Then again, another case if root's value is not equals to subroot's value, then we'll return false. Otherwise, we'll return. Otherwise, if they both are equal, else if they both are equal, then we will check whether their left and right child are also equal or not. So we'll do this. We'll check is same roots left and sub roots left. They both are same or not, and is same roots right and subroots right if they are same or not. So if left and right child are both same, then this will return true. So that's it. Let us run our code. Here we will return bool. So has a capital R. We need to consider if both the cases, both of them are null. So if both of them are null, subroot also becomes null. Then we need to return true. Fine. Let us run again. Let us submit also. So our solution has been accepted. So if you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. Or if you have a better solution or a suggestion, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.